Aquí estamos y no nos vamos.
From Queens to Newark, New Jersey, immigrant rights activists, along with a number of elected officials, taking a stand against the president's threat to start mass deportations.
We want to say that this will not break our resolve, but will make us come together even more, that we will become more and more focused on protecting our residents here in the city of Newark.
Mr. Trump initially said he would deport people with a prior deportation order starting this past weekend, but at the last minute said he was willing to give Congress 2 weeks to come up with a solution or else, tweeting, "I want to give the Democrats every last chance to quickly negotiate simple changes to asylum and loopholes. Probably won't happen, but worth a try. 2 weeks and big deportation begins." House Speaker Nancy Pelosi in Queens to discuss immigration has been credited with pushing the president to temporarily stop the deportations.
Children are scared. You're scaring the children of America, not just in those families, but their neighbors and their communities. You're scaring the children.
At Diversity Plaza in Jackson Heights, a number of activists rallied for immigrant rights.
We wanted to make sure that our community understood not only their rights, but that they were supported.
State Assemblywoman Catalina Cruz was once an undocumented immigrant brought to this country when she was a child.
I mean, it reminds me of what it was like to be 13 years old and live under the threat that my mother may be picked up by, back then it was INS, and she would never return home.